In this video, I will show you how to earn $2,500 using a new method. That is one of the easiest ways to make money online. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The website I want to show you today is WaysTo.com. Once you sign up for a free account, you can access their marketplace and find different offers and products that you can promote with just a click of a button. When you click on an ad now, you can just copy your affiliate link and then share the link around the internet or using your social media accounts. As long as people click on your link and buy products from the website, you will receive a high commission, and there is no need to wait because you will be paid on time. The best part is that you can do this repeatedly. Now I will show you the registration process, and remember, the registration is completely free. You don't even need to pay a penny. So when you visit the website, you have to fill in a lot of information, but don't worry, isn't as hard as you think. The method I will show you is undeniably unique and requires zero experience and skill, and you can earn up to $600. Now log in to your WaysTo24 account and then click on Marketplace. Once you do that, it will take you to a page where you can find hundreds of different products that you can advertise with a very high commission rate. For example, look at this Meticore, where you can earn 85% commission and earn about $121.22 on average. And you can also get more information about this product. We can go on showing you hundreds or even thousands of products on this website, and you can just pick and choose whatever you want to promote for really high commission. It will now show you the first bonus tip that will help you maximize your earning. So I am going to click on this drop down arrows. As you can see, it's sort by sales rank by default. Now I want you to change it and choose to sort by revenue or sales. All you have to do is click on it by doing WaysTo24. It will automatically filter all results and show you products with high commissions that you can promote. For example, this product here, Hair Care, supports type 2 diabetes and blood sugar, pays you 75% commission, and the average income is $154.50. And if you make 5 sales a day, you will have at least $600. Now all you have to do is go to WaysTo24 homepage and click on this blue button, and then it will take you to this page. As you can see here in the first section, register as, make sure you have selected this category, which is dependent, because we are here to earn commission online. After that, you can enter any username you want here, and then they will automatically help you create your unique affiliate link. After that, now you can use our unique link to promote any product you want on this website, and you can get huge commission in no time. As we continue, all you have to do is enter your email address, create a password, and choose your time zone. No need to worry because DGStore24 is available from all over the world. After selection your time zone country, just fill in your personal information, agree to the given terms and conditions, and just click on free registration. And you should be able to automatically get your ad link as you see here. Now people can click on this link right here, and if they try to buy, you can easily get 75% commission or whatever depending on the product you are promoting. Now for the next bonus tip, it will show you where you can promote your link absolutely free. If you are interested in the tutorial so far, I would be happy if you click the like button. Just go to reddit.com. Reddit is a website where people discuss various topics and they post questions, videos, and photos of anything. Now just go to the search bar and type specific keywords. This way you can easily find the people you want to promote your link here. For products like Metrical, you can advertise by typing keywords like weight loss or anything related to it. After that, just click on search, and from there it will show you all the search results. You can scroll down and search for different posts that people are requesting, like how to lose weight effectively or how to have healthy joints. Now what you will do is give them free value by giving them answers or tips on how to lose weight effectively, and here's how you get commissions. This is the technique right here where you're going to plug in a link, and what it's going to do is copy and paste your link into these columns. So you can see here, after we show them the weight loss tips, we will show them the link at the end. By doing this, you will get a lot of traffic and people will definitely click on it, and when they click your link and make a purchase, you can get huge commission just like that. The best part is that you can just repeat this process over and over again. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. To see more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. Good luck!